What is up everyone? Welcome to my channel. My name is Mariah May. I also go by the name The Glamour and I'm a British pro wrestler from the UK and I make YouTube videos. So today's video we're going to be doing a quick little Opoly haul. This is their brand new So Cosy collection. If you've seen my other videos, I'll link them below. I absolutely loved their So Cosy collections that they've released previously. I've gotten so much use out of them. They were just the best buy I could have had, especially during lockdown. So when they released more So Cosy, and these ones are a little bit different, they're a little bit more detailed, a little bit more fashionable, so I couldn't help myself. I had to get it, and of course I got pink. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I got. First thing that I got, and this is my absolute favorite, is the socks. All of the different colors. There's like lilac and green and a few others. They all come with a pair of fluffy socks and they have the Opoly logo and they are so soft. I'm gonna wear them with my Snuggie. I'll link that video below because it's so funny. I've got these super soft, really cute little socks and I just couldn't resist. I thought if I'm gonna get the set, I'm gonna get the socks because I just love a pair of matching socks. I got a pair of matching socks with a bow and tee and it just blew my mind. I don't know why, I just think it's so cute. The next thing that I got, and this is so beautiful, is this little So Cosy top. So everything I got in a size small and it's just this really cute little top with a tie up front. Now I got some of their basic collection and one of them was this really sweet long sleeve pink tie up top and I think it's just so beautiful and you can literally untie it and fit it for you, which I think is really cool and it's just so gorgeous. I absolutely love the So Cosy stuff, but the fact that they've been able to add this extra little bit of detailing and a bit more fashionable, which I really like. I'm lounging a lot when I'm editing and stuff. I like to be comfy, but it's nice to look a little bit fashionable and this stuff will come in handy for Twitch. So it really suits my lifestyle. So I absolutely love this. I thought it was so gorgeous, so precious. It's super soft and I can say from experience because I have a lot of the So Cosy stuff. These come out really well in the wash. Obviously follow the instructions. You don't tumble dry them. They come out so well in the wash. And if you stretch them a little bit when you wear them, when you wash them, it kind of goes back to how it was when you bought it, which is really nice, especially with the shorts when they ride up and they stretch a little bit. They're really good quality. I saw these, I went straight for it because I've got so much use out of them. I've really got my money's worth. They wash really well and I just thought that little detail at the front was so beautiful. And the final thing that I got is just these cute little shorts. These are a little bit different from the last ones. They're not cycling shorts, they're kind of like booty shorts. They're a little bit shorter than that, which I like because I think it's dainty and cute and it really matches the style of the top. It's a little bit better cut. It's a little bit more flattering. So I'm absolutely in love with these. I love the new cut. I definitely want to get more if I can afford it, if I can put some money to the side for it. I really do want to get more because I think they're so sweet. I love the cuts of them. I love the new style. They're super good quality. They are a little bit pricey, but they do come up well and you do get a lot of use out of them. Or at least I've got a lot of use out of them. But yeah, these are the shorts and I'm really happy about this because I actually have the Mauve set and that was the first set I ever got. That was where it all started and it all went downhill for me. It was the first set that I ever got and I said I wish they did the cycling shorts to go with it. So the fact that they've released a pink, I know it's not exactly mauve, but the fact they've released a pink pair of shorts makes me really happy because I really want the pink ones because they're my favourite. Absolutely love these. I think the set altogether is going to be so gorgeous. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you thought down below. If you've got anything from the collection, what your favourite colour is. Mine is pink. Always pink. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe and I'll see you guys next time.